I understand at one point there was a hope that the law school might be built together with the new California Court of Appeal house,
Yes.
and that they could both be on campus. And it was possible for a while.
Yes, yes. Well, we thought it was a great idea. As you know, Justice David Sills, who was at one time the mayor of Irvine, came to be the Chief Justice of the Court of Appeals, and they, at that time, had received word that they were going to be allowed to build a new courthouse. So he came with the idea, and we deliberated on it and talked a lot about it. The one great way to jumpstart the law school project was to combine those two initiatives and build the courthouse here with the new law school over by the Research Park property. So we thought that was a great idea. He worked tirelessly toward that end. I should say that although there was great enthusiasm on the campus and in our community for the law school, that isn't to say there weren't barriers. There was less enthusiasm elsewhere, particularly among some of the other law schools in the state, and in the University of California elsewhere. As you know, one university, all of our academic programs of significance come before the faculties and the administrators at the other campuses before they're approved. Then they must be approved in the Office of the President. We did not have the same level of enthusiasm from all of the other campuses, from all of the other law schools, from the Office of the President, or from an important agency that operated in California at the time that coordinated the development of programs, the California Post-Secondary Education Commission, CPEC. As a matter of fact, they were not supportive. So we came up with this idea to jumpstart the project with this collaboration. Resources always an issue. It actually was a very attractive idea in many ways. The Court of Appeals needing a set of courtrooms, for example, but the nature of the appellate process, as you know, they don't use the courtroom much of the time. Law school needing a courtroom, shared library resources. There were quite a few reasons for a good synergy, enthusiasm. We thought it was a great proposal, a great idea, and everyone did, except every member of the Judiciary Commission, Justice Commission, who unanimously voted it down when we presented the project to them, thinking that Santa Ana was the appropriate place for the courthouse. So that particular jumpstart didn't work. We did have some significant barriers as we went forward. A new law school being a very significant event. Our view, our belief, was that a law school was necessary in many respects. A new public law school in California. We thought there was a need for more public opportunities for access, particularly in the University of California method of blending high quality with access as being our mantra. And there being only one public law school in Southern California. As you know, we all adopted this phrase that there's only one public law school south of Market Street in San Francisco, and that's UCLA, 2/3 of the population in California. We thought there was need for greater access. On this campus, we also believed that we were not, in many respects, a full comprehensive university without a law school. A law school being a central component to a comprehensive higher education institution because of what a law school represents and brings. Faculty, students dedicated to the study of what is arguably one of the most fundamental aspects of human existence.
And there were two things that you mentioned that I regard as really important. One is how strong this campus already was in law-related disciplines. There were terrific people here doing law and economics and law and psychology and law and anthropology and law and literature. So a law school, especially one with interdisciplinary focus, would be a natural fit on campus.
Yes.
And the other is the intense desire of Orange County that Los Angeles be 3,000 miles away, which I didn't understand until I came here, and that the sense of the Orange County top lawyers, judges, business people, that if this is going to be a real top quality community, It's got to have its own top quality law school.
You're absolutely right. Fundamental to the whole project. The Orange County Bar, from the judiciary to the principal firms to the practicing lawyers to the public bar, were locked arms and were enthusiastic supporters